Hello students, our today's topic is define tax code for sales and purchases. You have to define a separate tax on sales or purchases code for each country or region in which one of your company codes is located. Each code contains one or more tax rate for the different tax type. If you have a report tax exempt or non-taxable sales to the tax authorities, you need to define a tax rate with the value 0. For that, we can go by transaction code FTXP or we can go by path SPRO, SAP Reference Implementation Guide, Financial Accounting Global Settings, Tax on Sales or Purchases, Basic Settings, Calculation, Define Tax Code for Sales and Purchases. हम SAP सिस्टम में देखते हैं कि हम कैसे डिफाइन कर सकते हैं टैक्स कोड. SPRO, SAP Reference Implementation Guide, Financial Accounting Global Settings, Tax on Sales or Purchases, Basic Settings, Calculation, ओके बेसिक सेटिंग्स की जगह हमें जाना है कैलकुलेशन एंड डिफाइन टैक्स कोड फॉर सेल्स एंड परचेसेस. एंटर योर कंट्री, एंटर योर टैक्स कोड A1. सो देखो यहाँ पर हमारा आउटपुट टैक्स डिफाइन है 17.50. कम बैक, if you want to create a new, then we can create as A6, enter. Standard VAT output tax 10%. Tax type output, then click on continue and enter here output tax as a 10%. Then click on save button. In United Kingdom there is VAT, so we are here using VAT, not GST.